Whoa. What's good today, your family? Welcome back to another vlog, guys. Hope all is well. Thank you very much for tuning in. Let's go. Let's start the intro. Let's go. Sorry, just driving to work. Hold on 1 second. Wow, looking a bit ashy there, boy. I hope all is well, guys. What have you guys been up to? We have been absolutely busy, guys. Sorry, I'm just driving to work, man. Anyway, we've been good, guys. Thank you very much. If it's your first time here, go and subscribe down the bottom and also press the like button before you watch the video. If you are OG T90 fames, thank you very much. We appreciate you when you come back all the time, guys, all the time. Alright guys, so today we are gonna take you on a journey. Whoa! We're gonna take you on a salon vlog. Yeah! Back with the salon vlog, guys. We are on a journey to show you what's going on at the shop lately, because it's been crazy. Been absolutely crazy. We've renovated the shop. We've put new signs up on the shop. We've painted the shop. We've put newspaper in the bathroom. Wait for that one. Montage will be coming up soon, guys. We also did a flower tree. You want to stay tuned for this one, guys. We also got 5, not 1, not 2. We got 5 new staff members. Yes. So there's a police behind me. Hold on.
Go away.
Hands free, mate. Hands free. So much has happened. So come along, guys. Come along. Don't forget. See that button there? Subscribe button. Go subscribe down the bottom, mate. Let's go. Alright guys, we're at the salon now. I'll show you the B-roll of the renos, mate.
1, 2, 3, come on!
How old are you going to be, Dream?
Bougie.
How old are you going to be?
I'm gonna be 21.
21, man.
Good morning, divas. Let's go get this colour shopping. And look, we're taking the boss's car today. Alrighty, we're gonna go to Hairmart and to Audi, and we'll go check back in. I don't even know what to do. But, yeah. Alrighty, well, I've got Duva's car and we're doing a colour run. Let me just quickly jump in there and say to all you beautiful women out there, remember to love yourself, because you are beautiful and you're worth it. And we need you. Where would we be without you women? We love you all. Alrighty guys. Ooh. Sorry about that. That was Man Boo wanted to come out.
Get back in there.
Alrighty, so we're at Hairmart and it's time to go in and get our colour shopping. Let's go see what fun we can have.
Kick.
Alright, Queen Divas, look, we've got the colour order. Yes! Alright, let's go to Audi and then we can get back to the salon and then we can have some fun.
Kick.
love when people are next to you and looking at you strange because you're talking to the camera. Check out these raggy bitches. Do some work! Alrighty guys, so did you see our new renovations or did you not notice what we've done? So we've got a grass wall here in our washroom. They've got the new TV and some brick walls. How beautiful. Another little brick wall tied in down the end here. We've got our beautiful fresh Onyx wall down the back. Obviously our beautiful selfie tree, like front, back, forward, work. And then obviously you've seen the newspapers in the bathroom. What a smart idea, like just funky, cool, ties in with our Onyx. So check in today guys with us at the hair salon, Sassy Nails by Twee, Onyx Hair Crew, and then we have Manu Onyx Reading. So check us all out today. Hello Onyx and Tanani family YouTube. Let's go have a look through the salon and let's see what's happening. We're doing a nice purple. Look at that colour from here guys. Look in and see Victoria today. Alrighty guys, we're gonna go look at her hair out here. It's a beautiful purple highlight moment. I'm bloody loving it and Vic's doing such an amazing work. I just wanted to show it off again. So let's have a quick look again. Coming back, but it just looks beautiful from the distance as well. What is it, Karina?
Every day.
And I'm still the skinniest one in the salon. Alrighty guys, we're gonna check out what's happening here. Keep your eyes peeled. We like to have fun and experiment down here at Onyx. Guys, look at that already. And that's just a little start in not even 3 minutes worth of work. Alrighty, we're gonna check back in a second.
Go on, boy, go, do it.
See what happens in the salon, guys? Tell us what's happening now. Twee.
So what's happening is I didn't like the colour combination, so I'm just going to change it up a bit and add some glitter, and hopefully it turns out a lot nicer than what I envisioned. Oh yes.
Look at that glitter.
Oh yes, I like this a lot better than what the original plan was.
All about playing and making sure we do it right.
Making sure you walk out with what you came in for.
If you're unsure about what you would like, ask Twee and she'll go to the gold like she did with me.
We did go for gold with you. We did. He's been flexing his hands all over the place, guys.
Nails by Twee. What can we say?
Alright guys, this is what it looks like so far.
Hey Tinani fams, also mentioned before that we got some new signs for the shop, so here it is. Did you hear that? I just fucking sat down. Just got Uber. And bloody Bree's like, your next one's here, dear. Anyway, gotta go.
Stop whinging.
Yeah, you're right. You can sit down and eat though. That's right. But got Uber Eats, hairdressers, favorite app is Uber Eats. Uber Eats sponsors us.
Hey, Mama.
You're welcome.
Yeah! Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. What do we say, guys?
Don't forget to subscribe and like and share.